book up. Dystopia. Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be featuring someone new for the first time on my page. Okay, so I've encountered this particular page. Okay, so this song is called Dystopia, right? And it's been done by One OK Rock. Damn, that's crazy. So I have a suggestion. I have a statement to make, right? This is a reaction channel, and I need you all to understand, right? The pausing, it's inevitable, and I know someone will come and say, hey, I'm pausing too much, right? And I'll be pausing like every 10 seconds. So if you guys do not like the pausing, then feel free to go and listen to the song on the official artist's page. It's a reaction channel, so I need you all to understand. Okay? Yeah. So if you guys want to watch this video, expect some 10-second pauses during the reaction. Right? Yeah. So without further ado, let's see what One OK Rock has to say in this song. Beautiful instrumental, beautiful cover art. Well, I do like the farm so far. I do like all the instrument or the beat starts. I guess it's gonna be a calm music, and I do appreciate calm music.
Trying to find some inner peace, apocalyptic tendencies. We blame it on a whisper for the shame that's in our system.
I do love beautiful music, and this sounds beautiful thus far. All right, and the voice, it's beautiful as well.
Pain on our yesterdays, the fears that keep us wide awake. We're looking for a reason. When did we become the heathens?
Wow, wow! I gotta say, for my first time listening this artist, I am loving it.
My colors bleed, I'm turning blue. You say Godspeed, I'll follow you. We got no place to go and now.
The world, it's full of talented people, talented individuals, especially for, you know, the music realm. And to have an entanglement with such a promising artist, it's a pleasure to listen to these songs, because, you know, in my country, Jamaica, I don't think these music played, but if they do played, then probably I do not know about that. But I can only speak for myself, and the music is, it's literally beautiful.
Find euphoria in dystopia. Let our souls become the magnets.
Nice, and it's a beautiful message as well. The message is connecting, it's alive, it's giving you a lot of meaning towards the song.
Running from the sadness, find euphoria in dystopia. When there's love and understanding.
Bro, I gotta say, the song is a very beautiful love song, and, you know, once you can have a partner and, you know, telling your partner all these beautiful messages, I think that person will eventually loves you more, because it's awesome.
Just a phase, not giving up, not in my darkest days.
Just imagine, right? This guy is making it through his darkest days, right? He have been through a lot, and to make it through his darkest days, it's something of a phenomenon.
Holding on to my faith, no more getting in my own way. My colors bleed, I'm turning blue. You say Godspeed, I'll follow you.
Bro, I mean, like, he's holding out, right? You know, he's going through a lot. But, you know, once you have that faith in that person, once you have that faith in ourselves, then eventually nothing can literally stop us from where we want to go. We're destined for greatness.
We got no place to go and nothing to lose. Find euphoria in dystopia.
Wow, just imagine, right? You have this woman, right? You love her, she loves you, and vice versa. And you know, they are trying to make ends meet. But because of the love, because of the strong connection, the bonds remain. Because what I'm hearing now is that he doesn't have any place to go. And he's making that female know that, hey, I do not have any place to go. Will you like to stick around? And if that female do appreciate this man, love him for who he is, and she accept him for who he really is, then she will stick around. If she doesn't, then she will leave.
Let our souls become the magnets, no running from the sadness. Find euphoria in dystopia.
His soul, the two of these people's soul will intertwine, right? And having these two people connecting together, it's love, bro. It's like two unequal yokes making entrance to go and have a lifetime together. It's fire, bro. It's fire. Damn, this song is good.
Where there's love and understanding, no running from the sadness.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Magnificent voice with such a magnificent message disclosing here. Awesome, bro. Oh my goodness. Dystopia. Wow. Amazing vocals. I gotta say, I love people who have some great vocals and can display their vocals onto us.
Connecting you and I, it's only
Dystopia. Connecting you and I. It's only us. Wow. That's some strong, deep, positive, and enchanting message. Connecting you and us. It's only us. Then who else could it be? It's only us. Anyone can stop us. It's us. Like Dystopia.
and I'm still holding tight. Find you for
Whoa. He's still holding tight. Because you know, people will go through a lot during the relationship process, and sometimes it's so hard to hold on. But once the determination of love is inevitable, then you won't let go. Just imagine, guys. Just imagine.
in dystopia. Let our souls become the magnets, no running from the sadness. Find you.
Yeah, once the soul is connected, then we shall run from the sadness. And the cover art says a lot. We have to look through love and let's not let go of love, because we both have to make the connection inevitable.
In dystopia, where there's love and understanding, no running from the sadness.
Yeah, we have to have love with understanding, right? Drift away from the sadness. Let's all contains happiness. Book up, book up. Dystopia. Whoa, whoa. Amazing song, bro. Whoa, I gotta say, bro. For my first try with this music, I'm feeling great at this point. Trust me. It's giving me hope just by listening. I gotta say, bro, that was a great song. For my first try, that was a great song. quite enjoying, if you ask me. And if you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember, show some love, bro. Leave a like, bro. Subscribe. Share this to a friend. And share this to the artist himself, letting him know that, hey, Jamaican do appreciate your music, so please drop more content like that. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.